Hey, it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about these beautiful cutting boards. These are not like any cutting boards I've ever seen before. They look like books. They're such a great decorative piece. Well, let's get these all opened up and do some cutting and show you how well they look. Each one is just beautifully designed. Where it says bread and cheese board. It has the groove, the catch the juices. And with a little holder. Designed to look like beautiful books sitting on your kitchen counter, but they're beautiful cutting boards. And even with the hard chopping, it left no marks in this cutting board. This cutting board was gifted to me for free, and I love the grooves because it catches all the juices. The food does not stick on here. It makes it super easy to chop my fruits and vegetables. Whether I'm I love this cutting board. I love the grooves. I love the style. I love that it looks like a book. This is a really unique cutting board. So much detail, and I got this free for review, and I highly recommend this.